Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jayden place. Summation up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. Summation up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we not need no ladder. Gaza Nation, when you find the Gaza station, welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I don't know. For click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a shape on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, it has been brought to my attention that some fans are not united in the belief that Vybz Kartel is one innocent of all charges laid against him and the co-accused, or that freedom is a must. Some people are even went as far as to say, if him get released, as so, and if him have to stay behind the bars, as so, as long as them continue to get music. Now think of this: one, no other artist will ever take Vybz Kartel's title as the best, most prolific, most profound dancehall artist to have ever give us dancehall for this generation. That will never happen. But the mere fact that some people say free world boss and don't actually mean it, meaning say them not actually care. Now, if it wasn't for sources right here upon the platform where I discuss matters that went on, pointing out that the evidence was tampered with, the defense did present these motions to the judge and the judge overlooked them, people would have gone with the mainstream tabloids version of what took place, painting Vybz Kartel as a monster, not pointing to the fact that the evidence was tampered with, the evidence was conveniently misplaced, the statements were not signed, the signatures could not be verified. People would have gone on with this. As a matter of fact, the courts themselves, viewers and subscribers, noted that there was an issue of having balance. The accused person's right to fair trial with the public's right to know what is taking place. He said they could not ignore that two of the appellants, Vybz Kartel and fellow DJ Sean Storm the Loyal Zombie, were celebrities. They said, where you have celebrities, murders and guns, you will have a heightened rate of interest by the public at large. However, majority of what took place and what was publicized was by the mainstream media, and we already know their bias. Why was it never highlighted that the evidence was tampered with? The CDs were missing. Why was that never on the front page of the Star? Why it never up on the front page of the Gleaner? Why only we discuss it? But at this point in time, the campaign is what? To stop saying free Vybz Kartel. The campaign, what them want is for silence those who are say free Vybz Kartel. Now think about it. For many of the channels where we can talk about, when them choose for follow the main topic, when everybody are talk about spice and what take place with Shane and dancers them and our baby father, but then that talk about Maja Hype and him Catty, which was personal affairs. She get another man a piece, you know the something go on hold it youth, move forward in life, them things not go hold it back. Which were personal affairs. We keep it 365 days of the year, fully Gaza. We make sure say in the crowd of people we are showed all different things to, we are reminding us free Vybz Kartel first and foremost. Innocent of all charges, and this is why, not just because me feel that way, but because look on the evidence. And also that we keep the narrative Gaza, reminding the people them say, what you know, are the baddest artists alive. The tracks them out there. Make sure some now stream and support. Despite all our go on, make sure some now go over there go support some people we are talking negative about the artists. We don't need to go over there go cuss them. We can do things right there so and support good music. We keep the narrative fully Gaza at all time. And that should be noted. It is also key to point out that the prosecution said that they commended the judge for the stance on the matter, saying that Justice Campbell met the challenge head on at the beginning of the summation as he reminded the jury that they were to only decide the matter based on the evidence before them. Now keep in mind, if they had been paying attention, if they had given a verdict based on the evidence that was tampered with, the witness statement that was changed and that was unsigned, the fact that calls were being made from the exhibit that was logged into evidence conveniently disappeared, then how could they return with a guilty verdict? Obviously, the media and the fact that only one side of the case was highlighted, the fact that painted Vybz Kartel as a monster and also the co-accused. It was convenient that video footage made it on to the media, and you were told by the tabloids. The tabloids told you that the police had a video footage and it will get released soon. How did we hear that? We heard that from the tabloids. The one-sided view. But why would they start discuss the matter right here upon the platform? People like to believe that we should be silenced. Tell them to talk about the music. Of course, the best music I've ever heard. Warm to the individual who is making this music. Warm to theme well-being. The fact that this could happen to any individual, but that Vybz Kartel, Sean Storm are celebrities and the co-accused are known individuals in the music scene. So when we talk about it, people pay attention because they know who Vybz Kartel is. If me that say no, say yo, this happened to Jimmy from round the road. Some people that say who are Jimmy. Some people probably not pay much attention. But because when this case in particular is used as an example, when it is used as an example to showcase how the judicial system goes to work, then people are saying, no, we have a problem. We're gonna have a big problem with that. Because if this is going to showcase, what you know, we can fabricate evidence and present it in a court, and a judge can overlook that, even though defense attorneys present the fact that look, the evidence is tampered with, and them can still say no, we still are going to allow it. It is still admissible. Then people going to say, but we don't have justice, yes sir. Then that are the practices and measures implemented by the prosecution, and the judges allow that, and the defense is powerless to do anything against it. Then where's the justice? Our entire justice system is called into question. As a matter of fact, when you have proven it got deep. When you have proven that a prosecutor would cross the line and go to this level to seek a conviction, it also shines light in all the other cases that they have ever tried. And with them defense attorney, they're gonna say, yo, the same thing happened in those cases as well. That is why they don't want this highlighted. They don't want this aspect of the reasoning highlighted, people. They want to sweep this under the carpet. They want people to stop talking about it. Stop mentioning it. Now point out to the people and say, yo, are this going on in the country at large? No man, talk about the music. Talk about something else. Talk about Spice them. We got Mama Spice. Do our thing. I go live look more about what go on. So Shensi and Jayden them and the whole vibe I take place. You know it go. But talk to me in the comment section. By the one called Jayden Chase, a dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative by Sam reminding you know. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified about fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. You know the something go. Know what I mean? Comment section open 24/7. Never lack it. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions right there. And we can continue reasoning in the comment section. I'll move settings, fam. And we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, we want to live, love, and prosper until we reason again.